Computer science videos here today to show you guys how to insert an image to your HTML website. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the text editor, which is Sublime Text. You can use another text editor if required to, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for Sublime Text, open this up, and now we should have the preloaded code in from the previous tutorials. If not, go to File, Open, go to the folder that has the index.html file in, open that up, and then come back to this tutorial. So before we program and insert the image, we need an image. There's an image on the desktop. We can minimize Sublime Text for the moment. Go to the dock again, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, tutorials, HTML tutorials, and take the image from the desktop, highlight, Command C, or copy the screenshot and then paste the item and then change the name of the image to something like image.jpg. Yes, use .jpg. Quit Finder, go back to Sublime Text. Change heading 1 to HTML image. Go to a new line and now insert the code that will allow us to see the image on the website. Less than image source, the name of the image, which is image.jpg. ALT equals HTML in speech marks, and then the width and height of the image itself. Width equals .547, and the height equals 556. Command S to save. So now we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Find it again, Documents, my YouTube channel, tutorials, HTML tutorials. Go to index.html, open with Safari, minimize Finder for the moment, decrease the size of the web browser, decrease the size of Sublime Text so we can then see both windows at the same time and work on them simultaneously. Insert a break for the moment. Go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page, and what do we have? A website with a heading, an image, and a hyperlink. So that's how you insert an image to your website using image source, name of the image, alt, HTML, the width, height. So we can quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.